This is the road leading to the Patani local government headquarters. As you can see, this is the divisional police headquarters, Patani. Their signboard is here. At the extreme of this road, you will see their station. Also, the only bank we have in Patani, First Bank of Nigeria, since 1894. This bank had been submerged. Far end from what we can see is the local government headquarters itself, secretariat, submerged many days ago. You can see all the houses roundabout. See these young men, they are doing their stuff inside the water. We have to survive. We need to learn a new pattern of living in Patani here. So we're enjoying our lives in this flood. As the Bible said, in the beginning, water covered the face of the earth, and the Spirit of the Lord moved upon the face of the earth. So we're trusting that the Lord will move upon this face of this water.
Water is reclaiming its land back.
Yes.
Water and land of contest. According to scripture, Bible said that in the beginning, the whole air was filled with water. And God said, let there be light. There was light. And what happened follow? He said, let light came in. So water is the singer of land. This time around, water wants to reclaim its property. Now the battle between land and water. This is the war between land and water. Water is reversing.
Water is reversing.
It's conquering. If I don't know Patani, water have conquered Patani now. It's taking its land back again. So it's a war between land and water.
And we need God again to come.
Let God be God.
As you can see, this is the transformer supplying lights to the First Bank. This is the First Bank itself. You can see their logo on top. We need God to come to Patani to speak again that land will come.